Welcome back to our channel Lalo Curls. And it's time to connect with us. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Today we're going to show you a simple and easy hair mask in order for you to grow healthy and long hair. So stay tuned. In order to do this simple and easy hair mask for amazing hair growth, you just need 4 ingredients. So stay tuned and find out what you will need. So first you will need a banana and some coconut oil. It's optional if you want to use 2 bananas. Next you will need some milk or coconut milk and some honey. And in order to mix up your ingredients, you need a blender, a bowl, spoon or a fork. And next you will be seeing all 4 ingredients and their benefits, so take your time and read them. And now the directions. Blend all your ingredients very well because you don't want to have too many chunky banana pieces left. Apply the mask to your scalp and hair, leave it on for about an hour with a shower cap, and then rinse out the mask with warm water. Don't forget to do your own research because this mask might not be for all hair types. By the way, you can use this mask as a deep conditioner. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye!